What is water? Water is a chemical substance composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, making its molecular formula HO. It is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless liquid at room temperature and is essential to all forms of life on Earth. Water exists in 3 states: liquid, solid, ice, and gas, water vapor or steam. It is one of the most abundant substances on Earth, covering about 71% of the planet's surface. Where does water come from? Water has been a part of Earth's system since the planet formed around 4.5 billion years ago. It is believed that most of Earth's water originated from volcanic activity during the planet's early formation, releasing water vapor into the atmosphere, which condensed and fell as rain, forming the oceans. There is also a theory that some of the Earth's water may have come from comets or asteroids that bombarded the planet during its early history. These icy celestial bodies could have brought significant amounts of water with them. Interesting facts about water. Water is the only substance found naturally in all 3 states. Water is unique in that it exists naturally in all 3 states: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor, under normal conditions on Earth. This makes it an incredibly versatile and essential substance. The human body is about 60% water. The average adult human body is composed of about 60% water, and this percentage varies depending on age, sex, and hydration levels. Water is vital for various bodily functions, including circulation, temperature regulation, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination. Earth's water is finite. The total amount of water on Earth remains relatively constant. However, only about 3% of Earth's water is freshwater, and less than 1% of that is accessible for human use. The vast majority of Earth's water is saline, saltwater, and is found in the oceans. Most freshwater is frozen. Approximately 70% of the world's freshwater is locked in glaciers and ice caps, mainly in Antarctica and Greenland. This makes it largely inaccessible for human use, which is why freshwater resources like rivers, lakes, and underground aquifers are so critical. Water can absorb and store heat. Water has a high specific heat capacity, meaning it can absorb a lot of heat without a significant change in temperature. This property plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate and allows large bodies of water like oceans to stabilize the planet's temperature. Water is a universal solvent. Water is known as the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. This ability makes water essential in biological processes, allowing cells to transport nutrients, minerals, and waste products. Water's surface tension is remarkably strong. Water molecules are highly attracted to each other, creating a strong surface tension. This is why small insects like water spiders can walk on water, and why water forms droplets instead of spreading out evenly on surfaces. Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface. Water is the dominant feature of Earth's surface, with oceans, rivers, lakes, and glaciers covering about 71% of the planet. The oceans alone hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. Water plays a vital role in the water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, describes how water moves through the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and land. The water cycle includes processes such as evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and infiltration, ensuring that water is continuously cycled and reused. The water molecule is polar. The water molecule has a bent structure, with the oxygen atom having a slight negative charge and the hydrogen atoms having a slight positive charge. This polarity allows water molecules to form hydrogen bonds with each other and with other substances, giving water its unique properties. Water expands when it freezes. Unlike most substances, water expands when it freezes, making ice less dense than liquid water. This is why ice floats on water. This expansion is also important for the environment, as ice insulates bodies of water and helps regulate temperatures for aquatic life. A single drop of water contains billions of molecules. A single drop of water contains about 1.5 sextillion molecules, 1 5 by 10 squared, of HO. This vast number of molecules makes water an incredibly dynamic and interactive substance, constantly forming and breaking bonds. Water has a memory. While controversial, some proponents of homeopathy claim that water has a memory, meaning it can remember substances that were once dissolved in it even after those substances are diluted beyond the point of detection. While this idea has not been scientifically proven, it has sparked interest and debate. Water is essential for agriculture. Water is the key to agriculture, with about 70% of global freshwater withdrawals used for irrigation. Without sufficient water, crops and livestock cannot survive, making water management crucial for food production. The oceans contain 20 million tons of gold. It's estimated that the oceans contain about 20 million tons of gold dissolved in the water. However, it's spread so thin that extracting it is currently impossible with existing technology. Water can boil and freeze at the same time at a certain pressure, called the triple point. Water can exist as a gas, liquid, and solid simultaneously. This happens at 0.01 degrees Celsius, 32.018 degrees Fahrenheit, at a pressure of 611.657 pascals. The largest body of freshwater by volume is Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal in Russia holds 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. It is the deepest and one of the oldest lakes, and it contains more water by volume than all of the North American Great Lakes combined. Desalination is key to future water supply. With freshwater becoming scarce, many countries, especially in the Middle East, are turning to desalination, the process of removing salt from seawater to make it drinkable. However, desalination is energy intensive and costly. The human brain is 75% water. The human brain is made up of about 75% water, which is crucial for maintaining cognitive function, mood, and overall mental clarity. Dehydration can lead to cognitive impairments and reduced concentration. Water is constantly recycled. The water we drink today is the same water that dinosaurs drank millions of years ago. Thanks to the water cycle, water on Earth is constantly being recycled through processes like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Conclusion: water is the cornerstone of life on Earth, influencing the planet's climate, ecosystems, and human civilization. It's a substance that seems simple, yet it holds countless complexities and remarkable properties. Whether it's supporting life, shaping landscapes, or powering industries, water remains one of the most fascinating and essential resources on the planet. Understanding water's unique characteristics, its role in the environment, and the need for its conservation is vital for the well-being of future generations.